Hello, welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Have you ever said này when you mean ngày or nhà, but it came out sounding like na? Don't worry, Vietnamese nasal sound can be tricky, especially at the beginning of words. Today we're going to fix that. You will learn how to pronounce n, ng, and ñ as initial consonant, how they sound, where they come from in your mouth, and how to use them naturally in real words and sentences. Let's start with n. For n, your tongue touches the ridge just behind your top front teeth. It's a front nasal sound, like the English n in no or night. This sound is clean, smooth, and forward. Try with me. No, na, no, ne, no, ne. Good. Feel the air coming through your nose, not your mouth. Now, ng. This one is made all the way in the back of your mouth. Your tongue touches the soft part of your palate near your throat. It's the same sound you heard at the end of English, sing or song, but in Vietnamese we can start a word with it. Try ng, nghe, ngô, nghe, ngủ, ngon. If you feel the vibration deep in your throat, that's perfect. Finally, nhờ. This is a soft middle nasal sound, like the nhi in onion. Your tongue touches the middle of your palate. It feels lighter and smoother than nhờ. Try nhờ, nha, nhô, như, nhé, nhanh. So, to sum it up in one sentence, no, front, ngờ, back, nhờ, middle, front, back, middle. That's your nasal triangle. Now, let's build muscle memory with real example. Words beginning with n. Năm, nói, nắng, nếu, nặng. Words beginning with ng. Người, nghe, ngon, ngủ, nghĩ. Words beginning with nhờ. Nhà, nhỏ, nhanh, nhớ, nhiều. Repeat after me slowly. Một, nói, nghe, nhà. Hai, nếu, ngủ, nhỏ. Ba, nặng, người, nhớ. Can you hear how each one starts in a different place inside your mouth? Let's compare how one letter can change everything. Năm, ngâm, nói, ngói, nha, nhà, nghe, nghệ. Let's say them slowly together. Năm, ngâm, nhà, nghe. Now faster, more naturally. Năm ngâm nhà nghe. Năm ngâm nhà nghe. Great. Keep exaggerating your tongue position. That's how your ear learns. Now let's practice full sentences. Focus on where each sound starts. 1. Nghe nói Nga đã ra nước ngoài. 2. Ngân thích nhất ăn canh nghêu. 3. Hằng ngân nga những câu ca. 4. Năm nay lạnh hơn năm ngoái. 5. Ngày nay, nhiều người đi nước ngoài. Each sentence mixes the three sounds, so your tongue has to move between front, back, and middle position quickly. Practice them slowly at first, then at natural speed. Time for a quick quiz. Say a word you decided if it start with n, ng, or nhờ. Ready? 1. Nếu. 2. Ngủ. 3. Nhỏ. 4. Người. 5. Nói. 6. Nhà. 7. Ngon. 8. Nhanh. If you got them all right, fantastic. If not, replace the word and notice where the sound begins in your mouth. Now you can pronounce n, ng, and nhờ clearly at the beginning of Vietnamese word. Remember this simple pattern: front, back, middle. N at the front of your mouth, ng deep in the back, nhờ soft in the middle. When you practice daily, your mouth will naturally find the right position and you sound much more fluent and natural when speaking Vietnamese. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep improving your Vietnamese pronunciation, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm Thanh Huyền from Vietlingo, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.